How to add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how you'll be able to add products in your TikTok affiliate here for you to earn commissions on TikTok Shop. So simply open your TikTok account and click on your profile. And here you'll be able to see that I have my account as a business account and I already have my own TikTok Shop set up. Just simply click on the three bars menu on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Creator Tools. Once you click on this button, you will be routed onto this page. And what you need to focus on is on the monetization part. This is where you'll be able to access your affiliate program for TikTok. That should be the TikTok Shop for Creator. When you click on it, there's a lot of options for you to be able to add a product. Either you can go to Product Marketplace or you can browse into the best sellers or the trending products or the top selling products here at TikTok. You'll be able to see there's trending, there's best sellers, and there's also products that are top rated. So you can either look into these products for you to sell or to add into your own TikTok affiliate marketing, or you can go to the tools option, go to Product Marketplace. When you click on it, you will be routed into the Product Marketplace wherein you can either search for a specific product that you wish to sell. You can type in what product is it? Is it an umbrella, a bag, depending on what type of product you wish to sell here on your TikTok Shop. Or you can look into the categories as well. There are appliances, there are for dogs, for pets, for kids, or you have clothes, bags, jackets. You can look into that. You can even look into electronics or beauty if you are into cosmetics. For example, we'll try to search a product here at the Product Marketplace. I'll look into buy one, take one products, and you'll be able to see this is how it would look like if you wish to add this product into your affiliate marketing program here on TikTok. Here you'll be able to see that there's an add button. There's also the original price of that specific product. And right above that, there is an option or there is the equivalent earning if you will be promoting or if you will be selling that product into your marketplace or into your TikTok Shop as an affiliate marketer. When you click on add, this products will be added into your let's say Product Marketplace or the managing products instead. So you can actually add a lot of products as you want, so you can keep on browsing these products depending on how many products you'd like to create for your videos so that you will be able to earn commissions when they click on the yellow basket. So you can click a lot of products. You can click on add buttons. And here, click on manage products. If you want to showcase one of the products that you've added earlier, you'll be able to see all those products here that are already added. And for you to create or showcase these products, what you can do is click on this circle button right here. This is a button wherein you will be choosing a product, for example, like this one, a wallet or a coin purse. You'll be routed into this page wherein you need to add info so that it will boost your sales when the video will be generated by TikTok. So a good thing here, if you want to earn money with the affiliate program here at TikTok, is that TikTok actually will generate different variations of video that they will generate for that specific product. You can create your own video or you can use those videos that they generated automatically for you. But before that, you need to fill out all these details for the product pitch. It should only be 100 characters only. And then you can look into the selling points. You can put check marks on these selling points. And you can even look into the add call to action sticker. So the customers will be able to, they will be navigated or instructed on where to click or click on the yellow basket. They will be able to be informed when the video is created. So here, click on the generate video and it will take a while, but you just need to wait since it actually does not provide you only one video that they generate for you to choose. There's actually, I think, more than 6 videos that that you will be choosing in order for you to create those and sell those here as an affiliate marketer. So you can choose, click on these square block or square images at the bottom, right above the TikTok or post on TikTok button. And once you've decided on which video you will be using, you just click on post on TikTok button and it will automatically route you into the page where you will be adding the product name. So here in Korean version coin purse, or you can name it depending on how you'd like to name the product so that it would gain more clicks and more views. So here you can edit these on these tools at the left side or right side panel of the screen. You can save the video, you can add voiceover, stickers, filters. You can even edit the video or cut it if you want. And when you click on next, you can add hashtags, mentions, or the video links, or you can just type in what the product is, what this product will do. So you can add basic information or your basic details on what the product is about that you're posting. So another thing here is that so that it would gain more views, you can add more hashtags. So you can add hashtag like for your page or best of TikTok, PH, for you page, FYP, and a lot more. You can even tag people, location, and you can add or indicate that your viewers or the audience should be everyone so that any public viewers or audience will be able to see the video that you'll post. So it will gain you a lot more customers with that. So click on I accept the music usage confirmation as well so that when you upload the video into your TikTok shop account, it will not be muted or it will not be banned. So you can just wait until it's fully loaded and you'll be able to see that your video that you created will now be posted into your TikTok shop. And that's how you will be able to add a product here on your TikTok affiliate marketing. So you can go here and as you can see, the coin purse has now been posted into your account. And that's basically it. That's how you add product here on your TikTok affiliate program. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!